Hello everyone, welcome back to my e-estate video. In today's video, I want to introduce this opportunity again to everybody that is watching this video, letting you know that it is possible to earn daily passive profit or daily passive income in this platform, and you can also withdraw on a daily basis if you wish to withdraw on a daily basis. You don't have to withdraw on a daily basis, but if you wish, then you are more than welcome to do so. The minimum to withdraw in this platform is $1. That is how accessible this platform is, and the minimum to start this platform is also $10. That is how accessible again it is to every person that is watching this video. Anybody looking for a way to earn passively while renting a fraction of a real estate, then you are more than welcome to join this platform. So I want to quickly go to my back office and just explain a few things to you. So far, since I started this platform about 2 weeks ago, I have already earned $330. As you can see from here, total income from real estate. So this is not referral earning, guys. Okay, this is not referral earning. This is total income from real estate, which means the total amount of money or profit or income that I have earned from my own fractional real estate that I have purchased, bringing it to a total of $3,247. That is the amount of money that I have invested in this platform. Now, that does not mean that this is where I am going to stop. I am going to keep purchasing many real estate as I can afford, right? But I just want to let you know that it is possible to earn on a daily basis in this platform. And that being said, these are the 3 real estate that I have purchased into. Okay, these are the ones that I have my fractional real estate. I'm showing you my dashboard because I want to be transparent with you guys, right? As I said before in all my videos for e-estate, you can start with a minimum of $10. As you can see, I started with just $10, just like you, ordinary person, right? You can start today with $10. And then I went further to purchase $117 worth of apartments in Seattle. And then later on, I now had the opportunity to get into the villa real estate, and I deposited $3,120. So altogether that I have invested in this platform is $3,247. And as I said, I am not stopping here, just so you know. Okay, I have my target that I want to meet in this platform before I will say, okay, yes, this is me, I am settled now, let's just keep earning, right? But that being said, let me just show you what is possible here. If I click into my villa estate, you will notice how much I am earning here on a daily basis. You can see I'm earning between $17 and $19 on a daily basis. Right now, remember, the earning here is between Monday and Friday. There is no Saturday and Sundays. Okay, so if you are looking to join this platform, the earnings are only credited to your account from Monday to Friday. Okay, so this is what is possible here in e-estate. I just thought I should share this opportunity with you guys once more. Now, if you want to purchase any of these real estate, now remember, when I say purchase, when I use that word purchase, it means you are getting a fraction of it. You are not actually purchasing the whole property. Okay, this is the reason why it is a tokenized property, because you can purchase a fraction of it. Okay, and right here, when you register with the link below this video description, you will have the opportunity to select which property you want to purchase, okay, a fraction of it. So if I click into where it says show all photos or see all photos, you will notice that you can actually go in and see all the photos of each apartment that you want to purchase. And of course, there's a profit calculator here that will actually tell you how much you are going to be earning when you join this platform, depending on how much you are going to invest to purchase a fraction of that property. Okay, now for Miami apartments, the minimum to start it is $10. So if you have a $10 today, jump in and see what happens, okay, with your $10. Below that, you will see the calculation that they have done with your $10. If you want to start with $10, you will earn about 0.4 cents on a daily basis, Monday to Friday, and then in a month you should be earning about $0.88, which is great for just $10 that you are using to start. Now remember, it doesn't end there. You can add 1,000 or 10,000 if you wish to start with 10,000. They are just telling you that the minimum to start is $10. That doesn't mean that you must start with $10. So if you have more money than $10, of course, you are more than welcome to get started with that. Now, if you select each apartment from the profit calculator, it tells you the minimum to deposit and it tells you how much you will be able to receive. As I said, when they say minimum, that doesn't mean that you have to start with the minimum. You can start with $500, $1,000, depending on how much you have. Okay, and then you can look into each of these apartments and look at the one that you felt is okay for you to put money on, and then you are more than welcome to do so. So for example, these houses real estate, you will notice that the minimum to invest in the houses real estate here is $480. Okay, as I said, you can invest 5,000 here if you want. You can invest, 1,000, 3,000, 5,000. It doesn't really matter. Immediately you key in the amount of money that you are looking to use to purchase or invest into this platform, the profit calculator will automatically calculate how much you are going to be receiving in a day and how much you are going to be receiving in a month and when you are going to break even, and even how much you will get per year. Okay, so this is a good tool for everybody in e-estate to use to determine how much they are going to put in and how much they are going to get out of it. Okay, if we go to the villa houses or the villa real estates, you will notice that the minimum to start this one is $3,120. It's one of the ones that I have got that I just showed you that you can be earning $19 every day. Okay, so if you wish to be earning like me $19 every day, for now you start with $3,120. Okay, otherwise start with any amount of money that you have at the moment. As I said, minimum to start in the Miami apartments, those ones are just $10 to start. But if you want big money every day, then you are more than welcome to start with the villa real estate. So guys, this is happening. The platform is good. You can actually track your real estate on the blockchain. So everything is recorded on the blockchain. In case if you are looking to check the blockchain, you come back to where you purchase all your tokenized real estate and then you click on that icon. Okay, if you click on that icon, it takes you straight into the blockchain, and from here you will know total supply, which is total amount of money that has been invested for that real estate. So this is over $10 million, guys, that has been invested so far, and you can see the number of holders that are involved in this platform. So yes, so it is trackable and traceable on the blockchain, which makes it so great. Okay, so guys, if you are looking for daily passive income on a real estate, then the best platform to join is e-estate, guys, and the link to do so is below this video description. I have recorded a video on how to register, how to complete your KYC, how to deposit, and how to finally purchase your real estate here in e-estate. So all the links for everything I have just discussed with you is below this video description. If you click on it, register today. Registration is free, just so you know. You are not paying to register. Okay, so you can register today with the link below this video description. Complete your KYC. You are not paying money to complete your KYC as well. completing your KYC is free. It's after you finish completing your KYC that you will now determine which real estate, as I showed you earlier from the profit calculator, how much you are going to deposit or how much you are looking to earn. That will now determine how much you are going to deposit and which of the fractional real estate that you want to purchase or invest on, and then boom, you will begin to receive your daily passive profit Monday to Friday. Right? So guys, thank you very much. I will see you in my next e-estate video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And most importantly, don't forget to sign up, because this platform is real and it's giving us exactly our cash flow that we needed on a daily basis. Thank you and God bless.